What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to customize ringtones for contact groups in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open phone app. Go to the contacts app and then click on this three dot more icon, menu icon, and then click on groups. Now from here choose the group in which you want to assign a custom ringtone. Now after that click on this three dot more icon and click on this edit icon, and after that click on group ringtone. Now from this list you can choose any ringtone to set as the group ringtone. So just simply tap on a ringtone to select, and after selecting the ringtone, that ringtone will be customized for the group. And after selecting the ringtone, tap on save to save changes. So that's how you can customize the ringtones for contact groups in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.